it's Melissa with WTI. I want to share with you today my thoughts on this Camp Chef smoke vault cover. I am so glad that we have it. Yesterday a storm went through. I wanted to show it to you then. I had to wait for today to show you, and I wanted you to see how well it withstood the wind and the rain. It's definitely water repellent. It kept our smoker dry. It's so easy to put this cover on. It stays in place. Another reason that I really like about it is that it's brown. It's not going to fade in the sunshine. I don't have a cover on top of my smoke vault. There's no roof to protect it, so we needed a durable smoke vault cover, and I'm so glad I found this one by Camp Chef. The seams are really nice and tight. You can see here that when I pull on it, it stays nice and tight. The wind isn't going to rip it off. So if you're searching for something to protect your smoke vault, definitely check this out. Camp Chef did a wonderful job. It's definitely durable, and that's my point of view.